Hey guys, it's CardFan 101 here, and welcome back to part 3 of the Spider-Man Acrobatics set. So, this is the gameplay part. So, the first stunt is getting my trampoline and slam mat, and using my other bunk sunks to stack up. So, since I don't have my other bunkazones with me, I'm just gonna use that many. So now you can use much more than that, but so what you do is stack 2, and then put this on top, and then this on this, stack 3 on it, and 2, well, I don't think I'm gonna have enough, so I'm gonna go get my bunk zonks, other ones. So I got my other ones, see, in the face case. So start off with 4. There's the bottom, and there's the second layer. Third layer, and finally top layer. So that's what it looks like, and you're supposed to lay your nuts right here and throw your bunkazounks into the thing. So let me show you the bunkazounks hitting the mat. So they do bounce on this. So let me show you that. That was a miss. Miss again. So I almost got it. So yes, that's the pyramid game. Second one is using the mat and doing that. So get this and cut this in here. Then taking my blocks and stacking it on. So like that. Supposed to get my box and put it under like that, and supposed to bounce my bunkazounks into here. So just to go like this, bounce, and then clip into here. But I'm gonna try one attempt because I know I can't do it. So try. yeah, I don't think I can do it, so there's my try on the third stunt, and then the fourth one is maybe easier. So we're supposed to get our bunk chunks and put them on. See, supposed to go like that and knock them down. But yeah, so and then you use your mat and bounce them and hit them. But yeah, so I hope you like this gameplay on my Bunk Sunks Stackobatic Spider-Man Stackobatic stunt set. And yeah, so I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, rate, like, and comment, and thanks for watching, guys.